Hey guys, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me and requesting this free video. So today we're going to go over just a few tips that you guys can start applying right away. And it's really going to help with your online presence and getting more of the organic leads. So you don't have to rely on paid lead service programs like Angie's or Home Advisor or even Google Ads. Um, Here we are on your website. Um, and it's important to note that nearly 70% of your organic leads are going to come from this website. So it is really important that your website be optimized so you can capture that traffic. So the first thing I notice here is good. Your phone number would be even better if it could be a click to call, making it easier for your mobile users. But having that be one of the first things you see on your page is good. You want to make it super easy for your customers to reach you. Unfortunately, that's the only thing on your page. So this is just a header. Your home page is the most critical page of your entire website. And Google does not rank websites based on appearance. It is based on content. And Google needs 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on the home page, or more depending on what your competitors are doing. If your competitors have more content, you need more than they have. Your content needs to be built around each of these services and their local buyer intent keywords. Those are the keywords people are actively searching in Las Vegas for your services. So that's going to be really, really important. You also want to make sure that each one of these services has their own unique page with their own unique content and that are focused on their own keywords. Do not try and rank several pages for the same keyword or you'll run into keyword cannibalization. With keyword cannibalization and using duplicated content, Google will penalize you and you're not actually going to show up when people search for you for those terms. Let's look at your service page. So yeah, this isn't helping you at all. Simply just listing your services won't do anything for you. You have to have 250 words for every keyword that you're going to target. Each of these need to have their own page and content built around them. Also, if you're servicing outside of Las Vegas and serving the county or multiple cities, you need to have a separate service area page for each city you service that has search volume. That's going to actually allow you to be found for your services as long as you have that content and those keywords in there. Let's take a look at your top competitor. Your top competitor for water damage in Las Vegas is ServPro. Yes, they are a franchise, but no, you don't have to compete against the franchise. You're only competing against this one specific location, and you have the advantage because franchisees are not allowed to modify their pages and content. So what they have is what they get, and if they don't have the right content and keywords that they want to be able to rank for, they have to do it a different way. And it takes 4 to 5 times more work and is much harder to rank for keywords that are not here on the content. So you have the advantage of adding as many pages as you want and really dialing in on your content and keyword strategy to capitalize on that. But these guys do have quite a bit more content than you do. So you do have to beat their content. These guys are blogging as well. So you do have to beat their content and support your website with SEO because without search engine optimization, you will not get found online. So if we look here, there is zero data. So I don't know if this is a brand new website and Google hasn't had a chance to really index your pages, even though it does say it has crawled 3 of them. So I'm not sure. Or if it's just because you don't have any content on your website, it hasn't been indexed. But either way, you have a 0 in Google's trust flow. And that is because you don't have any backlinks or referring domains. And while you do need a lot of these, not all are created equal. You need to have highly authoritative do follow links, which are directly related to your services and industry. You also need to make sure that they are do follow links. Now, a referring domain is any other website that provides your website with a link from their site to your site. The backlink is that physical link coming from this other website. The whole purpose is to drive traffic. Now, you will need more than your competitors in quantity as well as quality. And again, you will want do follows because they will share the power of the high ranking sites, give you more authority, more power, and help you to rank your keywords. So as you can see, you don't have any, so you're getting 0 people to your website. So you're missing out on most of the traffic searching for your services. If we look at your competitor, we don't care how their website performs. We're not competing against their entire website. Only this one location page, and they have a 27. That is partially because of the power of their website being so high, but the rest of that is their backlinks and referring domains. They have 104 backlinks, 31 referring domains, and of those, 18 are do follow. And because Google gives you credit for only 1 backlink per referring domain, they only have 18 good links on this page. And so you have to beat those 18 good links in quantity versus quality. These guys have been indexed for 32 keywords, and they're getting about 159 people to this one specific page. So these guys are definitely beatable, but you do have to work on your content and keyword strategy. And then the last part of this is going to be this Google Maps or Google My Business section, and your goal should be to be in the top 3 because 30% of people search here and don't go anywhere else. So when you're not listed here, you're leaving money on the table and sending those leads to your competitors. Now, in order to get in the top 3, there are several factors, but the most important are citations, and that's the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Glassdoor. So you will need a lot more of those than your competitors. But now when you follow each of these tips I have provided you, your website has that opportunity to become number 1 in Las Vegas and your service areas for each of your services. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful and would really like to get your feedback. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.